Welcome back to the AAIA question series. If you are preparing for ISACA's Advanced in AI Audit or the AAIA certification and you want to pass on your very first attempt, you're exactly where you need to be. In this episode, we are not just reviewing a question, we are sharpening your professional judgment and making you think like an AI auditor. Because the ISACA exams, various type of certification exams are not just built on memorization. They're built based on scenarios and your understanding and your structured thinking in terms of risk awareness and audit clarity wherever in terms of where it is more relevant for an audit profession like CISA or the WAIA and so on. So let us strengthen how you think like an AI auditor for this exam and let us see the question of the day. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. All right, let's see the question. An organization deploys an AI powered tool to detect and respond to cybersecurity threats in real time. An IS auditor finds that the tool produces excessive false positives, increasing the workload of the security system. Which technique should the auditor recommend to best evaluate the tool's effectiveness? Use a log analysis tool to examine the types and frequencies of alerts generated. Implement a benchmarking tool to compare the system alerting's capacity with industry standards. Conduct penetration testing to assess the system's ability to detect genuine threats. Or is it deploy a ML validation tool to increase the model's accuracy and performance? What's your guess? Well, if you guessed A, it's definitely not the right answer because a log analysis tool only examines the frequency of alerts, the type of alerts, and all that stuff. Basically, it measures the volume and nothing to do with the detection effectiveness or the accuracy percentage or anything. So it does not also validate anything associated with whether genuine threats are being identified or not. Okay, so definitely that is wrong. Option B is Option D is also wrong. Option D talks about improving accuracy, but the question is asking to evaluate the effectiveness and not the improvement of performance, right? So auditors generally assess before recommending any enhancements. Option B is also wrong. Option B is wrong because a benchmarking tool is just compares your tool with industry standards. It is a helpful thing, of course, but again, it does not test actual performance in the organization's environment. So we are looking at something which is environment specific, and this is why option C is the right answer. And this is the right answer because the concern is talking about excessive false positives, questionable detection effectiveness, and all those kind of things. So, we are asked to properly evaluate the AI system. For this, you need to test whether it can detect real threats, what is the true positive rate, how can it perform or how does it perform under a controlled attack scenario. So basically this is the idea behind having a penetration testing because it will simulate genuine attacks, it will measure detection capabilities, it will evaluate real world effectiveness, right? um, so there are many things which are beneficial to the organization when you do a pen testing, and this is exactly what is intended in the question as well. So that is why this is the right answer. Well, I hope you got it right. As an auditor, always think effectiveness is the ability to detect real life threats while managing false positives, which is asked in the question itself if you read the question text. So, thank you once again. See you in the next question. If this question helped you to answer it right or to understand and think in the way as an auditor should do for an AI exam, please do not stop here because the AAIA exam is not just cleared by watching one video. It is cleared because you will have consistent structured practice. And this is part of a big series. There have been quite a few scenario based questions which have already come, and there are more coming in the series. Each one is designed to sharpen your audit judgment and to make you that AI auditor which is going to be putting you in really good stead in the future. So if you found value in this series, like the video, because it will not only help you, it will also help other serious professionals discover these videos. Comment, because I would love to know what your thinking process was. Um, and please do share it with any colleague, a friend, anybody who might be interested and who might be preparing for this exam or any other exam for that matter, which will put them in good stead and raise their level, the professionalism. Their future depends on how you are going to share it with them. Let us help others also pass the exam in the first attempt. So subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to pass this exam, see this, follow the series. And I don't want you to miss any of these questions, because you never know which question is going to come in the exam, right? So one question at a time, one concept at a time. This is going to be your professional upgrade. All right, so happy auditing. I'll see you in the next question. Bye.